Hi there, my name is Dr. Kerry Yerkew. I'm the founder of True North Practice Management. This week we're talking about burnout and breakout. How you can go from burnout to breakout as a health professional. Whether you're a doctor or a therapist, a chiropractor, naturopath, all of us experience repetitive tasks and can lose our way during our career. We can start to feel like we're getting burned out. And often we don't reach out for help because we think we're there to help people, not for other people there to help us. So it's important to practice good self-care. Another tip that I have is to sign up and attend webinars or conferences where you're going to learn something new. Whether it's practice management, learning some new techniques to help your patients, or even better self-care. It's important to sign up for all of these types of events so you can continually work on the balance between work and life. Don't miss out on our free webinar this Saturday. Space is limited, and it's called Break Free from Burnout, Success in Private Practice. You can register by clicking on the link below or click on the link in the bio. I'm going to talk about burnout to breakout, what you can do to help yourself to get back on track and achieve your goals and dreams. At True North, we're here to help doctors and therapists achieve their goals and dreams, to overcome obstacles, stay on track, and find their true north. So please join me this Saturday.